Okay, now in this video we're going to make this second assembly. So I'm going to create an assembly again. Standard. And place the handle. The cap and the guard. Okay, first I'm going to get the cap onto the handle. The constraint tool. And I'm trying to get there. I'm looking for my axis constraint. All right, good. And then I want to flush all the way against the edge here. Spin it around so that it's nice and flush. Okay, next. I want this flush to this. Constrain that surface to the surface. Now, as I look at it, it's flush against it, but it's not quite in the right place. So and there I've got it nice and lined up. So then I'm going to save this as handle and guard. All right, next we're going to assemble them all together.